The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Eggplant with crab sauce fuses Malaysian Chinese and Cantonese traditions. Whole eggplants are grilled until the flesh is meltingly soft and smoky, then peeled and quartered. The magic lies in the gravy, a light, savory blend of vinegar, sugar, and fish sauce, perked up with brown garlic and sweet crab meat. Thickened just enough to cling, the sauce creates a dish with a beautiful purple edge and deep savory flavor, finished with a bright kick of pepper and shredded chili. For the eggplants 5 as desired, cooking oil 2 tablespoons as desired. For the crab meat gravy, water 1 cup as desired, fish sauce 1 tablespoon as desired, vinegar 1 tablespoon as desired, sugar 1 teaspoon as desired, garlic 2 cloves chopped as desired, crab meat 1/2 cup as desired, tapioca flour 1/2 teaspoon blended with 1 tablespoon water as desired, pepper a good shake as desired. For the garnish, red chili 1 shredded as desired. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps 1. Grill the eggplants. Grill the whole eggplants until they are soft and cooked through. The skins will blister and char as the flesh turns tender. When cool enough to handle, skin them and cut each eggplant in half lengthwise, then cut each length into quarters. Lay the pieces on a serving dish, cut sides up. Note, if you prefer not to grill, the eggplants can be boiled instead. The book gives this as an easy alternative. 2. Mix the gravy. In a bowl, stir the fish sauce, vinegar, and sugar into the water until the sugar has dissolved. Set the gravy aside. 3. Prepare the aromatics and garnish. Chop the garlic finely. Shred the red chili into thin strips for the garnish. Have the crab meat and the blended tapioca flour mixture ready at the stove, as the sauce comes together quickly once the pan is hot. Cooking steps 2-4. Brown the garlic and build the sauce. Heat the cooking oil in a pan and brown the chopped garlic until fragrant and lightly golden. Pour in the mixed gravy, then add the crab meat. Bring the gravy to a boil. 5. Thicken the gravy. When the gravy is boiling, stir in the blended tapioca flour mixture to thicken it. Season the gravy to taste, adjusting the balance of fish sauce, vinegar, or sugar if you like. 6. Dress and serve. Pour the hot crab meat gravy over the grilled eggplant pieces. Sprinkle a good shake of pepper over the gravy, garnish with the shredded red chili, and serve warm, best enjoyed with steamed white rice.